we are looking at how to pronounce the longest word in English. Here it is. This is a lung disease caused by inhaling ashes from a volcano. So how do you say this word actually? What's this word? Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono, ultramicroscopic, so that means the very small particles. Pneumono is for the lungs. Silicovolcano, meaning silicon element from a volcano, and then coniosis is the name of the disease. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, or faster, pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Yeah, I slipped on that one. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis is the name, the word, and now you know.